I thought it was a snag for a second. But the snag is swimming.
I'm getting her. You got time?
Yeah, this is gonna be a little while. Skip, you just stay there and relax, bud.
Skip, play that.
Yeah. River rats, we are below a big ol' honking dam looking for a catfish the size of Volkswagens. Actually, I don't believe in that story, but it'd be cool to catch a big catfish. That's what we're gonna try to do. So let's go. What?
Oh, you get bugs on you? Like a flathead.
No, you must smell worse than me.
Maybe that sunscreen I put on.
No, it can't. You definitely smell worse.
Where do you want to go?
Just to look around in here. That water's trickling over there. Sometimes those little trickles pull fish in. That'd be like a musky spot in that back corner.
7.3 right here. 20.
I love the idea of bumping, but like suspending live suckers sounds like a good time too.
You're the pro.
Eh,
You're the guy that does this a lot.
I fish a lot. I will agree with that. So we're in 50 feet, but your 2D says we're in 26.
How's that work?
There's something. You don't have to get all the way up here.
You want to see the Volkswagen, you got to get close, but
Yeah, we're in search of the Volkswagen size catfish. It'd be cooler if this was had some water coming out. I mean, I guess that technically counts as a little water coming out. It looks like the dam's peeing.
yeah, now it just shot up to 15.
Yeah, we're up on the concrete. There's stuff up here though.
Yeah.
Carp, lots of carps. Drops right back down. All right, it's chosen. By lack of choosing, we're gonna, well, you made the call.
I made the call.
Ryan, you know, bucked up and made a decision. Glad somebody did. Sure wasn't Scott.
Nope. No, he's long right. Drop shot?
Kind of. We're gonna drop shot some suckers. Yeah, out here, Ryan and Scott. Ryan catches big fish, and I don't know what Scott does.
Catch a smaller fish.
Yeah, it makes plastics.
Yes.
Yeah, the owner of Drastic Plastics.
So we got to go search.
Small fish connoisseur? No, definitely not.
All right, what are we thinking for weights?
Probably 5s, 6s. All right, we're getting rigged up. We're just gonna drop bait straight down. Ryan brought his live scope, so we're gonna play around with that a little bit too. And hopefully I can get like a 50-pound flathead on, record the live imaging. That'd be kind of neat.
As I smoke it in the face.
Yep. Free lip piercings. We're also fishing right before a storm rolls through, so I'm hoping that that helps the bite. It seems to make a bigger difference when it doesn't storm like every other day, like it apparently does up here. All right. Bait net. I don't really want to reach to grab that bait net.
I think it meant like two different things. Bait. Like you're doing check this. Net.
No. Different kind of boat. Oh man, those are sweet looking baits. I'm gonna get the one that's got the fungi out of there first. Yeah, our baits are hippopotami. Big old suckers. We're gonna drop them straight down. Quit it, quit it, quit it. Probably not smart hanging them over the side of the boat, but here we are. All right. Down periscope. It's definitely not 27 feet deep. It's okay, we got this guy.
How about we put this screen on that?
This doesn't have a screen on it?
It does, but it's a cracked one.
Oh, yeah, let's do that. Transmission disabled. Does any of it work?
I have it now. I haven't turned that on since I got it.
Oh, did you plug it in? Oh, I know why. It's not on Panoptics. Well, maybe I know why. Hey, there we go. Oh, there's something big right under us. That's... Oh, I got one coming in to look at it. You got one, Scott? Oh, the crap eye. I mean, he's bait.
That's what I say, for bait, if you want to switch to a different bait.
Yeah, I'll put him on.
As long as you catch him in this water, you can use him.
Well, there's something looking at my bait. That's kind of cool.
Oh. Could very easily be a muskie here too.
It looks long. Now it looks gone.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy. That's either a muskie or a flathead. See him?
Yeah.
He's coming to look at it. Or he's coming under it. Does he care? Come on up, buddy. There's something there.
He parked under it at least.
Right? So it's 4 feet over him. Get a little closer to him. It's pretty hard to return though. Not sold on it being a flathead, but we're in the area. Yeah, there's just a lot of stuff moving around down there. None of it is eating currently. A lot of window shoppers.
Well, they've got plenty to eat here, I think, at all times.
I mean, you were able to catch a fish, so there's got to be a lot of fish here.
In the mouth, nonetheless.
Right.
Snag it.
That's not like you.
I know.
Yeah, if this don't pan out, we're gonna switch to some bumping. Should be a way we could pick up some big old chans or get a big old flathead doing that too.
Walleye are gone.
I think there's a crappie coming up to the crappie I have on here.
Tim, what are you doing? What's wrong with you? What happened?
There might be one on the sucker. There's definitely something slithering on the bottom about 5 feet away too. We'll give this another 4 or 5 minutes and then slide her over again. Is it bait? Bait.
Told you like that. Ooh, ow.
Now he's definitely bait.
Yeah. Concussed bait.
We have cut bait. This is the best warm water channel cat bait.
Really?
Yeah.
So now when you're fishing flatheads, do you not throw a channel cat rod out just because you're concentrated on flatheads, or?
I'm a snob.
I understand that. Oh boy, we're on fire now, boy. Found him.
Oh, that's more a bait-sized one.
Keep him?
Nah, we got plenty.
I mean, I can do this all day, so. Yeah.
You're a weapon over here, bud.
Just trying to contribute.
Yeah, we had a rain delay. Actually, the rain delay was a good time. Ate good and had a lot of fun, but we're back out. Oh, we did try to catch flathead last night. We had a few little short nibblers, but that was pretty much it.
Scott missed them all.
Scott missed them all. By Scott, I mean me. So you got one already?
I don't know if I hit something or something better.
We're gonna do a little mess around fishing, you know, for non-serious fish like bass.
Bait.
Yeah, bait fishing. And before we get back after the flatheads and do a little camping, all night camping tonight. I'm excited. Excited to outfish, Bassmaster Elite Champion Scott Monroe. Scott made some fun new colors for me too. Ooh, how deep is it here? Probably start with a quarter. Yeah. Yeah, this is the old chicken smoke. And then we got the currently named Slick Rick. I haven't thought anything better than that, but I kind of like Slick Rick for...
They're not currently available on the website, so don't...
No. Can't buy them yet.
They're in testing stage.
Yeah. When I think of smallmouth, I think of like bigger green sunfish that jump.
Might fight a little harder.
I don't know. Like if you had a green sunfish that got like 2 pounds.
Find one of those, let me know.
Well, you know where it'll be.
Right.
Oh, on a hook. I think we'll slide back. Oh, got him.
While sliding back.
Yeah, I was going to hit the button. Yep. No, Walter.
Really?
Yep. Not big enough for dinner. But that was wonderful. That thunk. They like the old chicken smoke.
Yeah, right? What, third cast of that thing?
Yes, third cast. See you, bud.
Fine, I see how it is.
What?
I see how it is.
It wasn't a bass. Why are you getting upset? Oh, there we go again. You should catch a fish, Scott. It's fun.
I'll try it one of these days.
Smoke is smoking.
These little Walters just love it. Oh, he crunched it too.
Did he?
He put all 6 ounces into it.
You have that heavier jig on there?
I got a quarter. Yeah.
You need it right here.
Oh yeah. That's why I went the quarter 1/8 ounce dual rig combo, so I can switch back and forth. Ooh, that's a...
Knock it off.
Oh, that one's...
Jumping.
Yeah. He hit it and ran at me. Now you can be upset, Scott.
I already made a change.
Scott was bragging about how he's the only one who caught a fish yesterday.
That was yesterday. Not so much today.
Wow, he really liked it.
I don't even see it.
Yeah. This will give you an opportunity to catch up because I'm going to be messing with this for a minute.
That didn't take long.
We got pliers in this boat.
Yeah, and the
Four stuff right in there.
Oh, right here?
a little bit of everything.
Okay. Seriously. He's dead.
Appreciate his enthusiasm.
Right. I think legally I still got to throw him back, don't I? It's unfortunate. If we were in Iowa, you'd be dinner. Something will eat him, I suppose. But that's 3 casts in a row?
Don't say it out loud and jinx it.
I just wanted to make sure I could count to 3. That's the only reason I brought it up.
Nice if we had some walleyes to fry up when everybody came out tonight.
That would be pretty neat. Or some delicious bass.
That's some of them way down.
That probably was not a walleye.
No, I'm sure that's fine.
And we probably could catch them on cranks and stuff like that, but I just love that thump too much.
Good feel.
Yeah. If we really wanted walleyes, we probably should have brought crawlers.
I don't get as good a deal on crank.
No.
I don't have quite the same hookup.
Oh, I see the smallie spot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get there before Scott
Ryan,
does.
the first shot at it.
No, his bait's in the water. Oh, yep, right there.
You're Your wallet's jumping.
I know.
They're acrobatic in Wisconsin.
He ain't even bad.
Net?
Nah.
Oh, great. I already bent my hook out.
Try to.
Bass dinner.
He's clear over. Oh! Yeah, he gave us.
Got smoked by the chicken smoke.
He did. He would have been bass dinner. The zippy currents kind of give me all I want. And the downstream wind.
Yep.
You gonna be able to hold us there for a sec, trolling motor? Yep. Not as big as the last one. Well, he ain't bad.
Got good ups.
Yeah. You gonna jump in the boat for me?
We have a net.
This giant net.
Make his fish look small.
You guys can catch one if you want to.
Yeah, I might try it a little bit.
Oh!
Oh!
Need a bigger net.
It catches a lot of current.
Oh, I lost one.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
If you need help at your next bass tournament, I'm reasonably priced.
Yeah, these are
I think he's big. He's got to be 15 inches or 14.
14 for bass.
That's definitely 14. Do we want to hold out for Walters?
It is awfully early. Oh! Oh!
Oh no! All right, we'll let him go.
Seems like they're gonna chew with this overcast today.
Kind of tempted to throw a plopper in there. You might be making me some more chicken smoke, Scott. Yeah. What do you got there, Scott?
Something ain't biting.
Oh, nice one. Skunk's out of the boat for Scott. Quick release.
I put it in the boat. What are you talking about?
I was talking about your stick.
That's your stick.
The video camera did. Oh, good thing I sharpened that hook. Oh, got her. Scott's busting out the tube. It's about to be on. Although I'm throwing a quarter, I should probably be throwing the 1/8 here. That feels like a fish. Somebody net me? There we go. You guys, I mean, I think you should catch something. It's really fun. Especially nice fat football smallmouth like that. Got one? Atta boy. Walter?
No.
Yep.
Oh, it is.
Yep. Eater one, mate. Well, close. And then there was one. He's probably close to 14.
Whoa.
Yeah. The fatness gets me. Man, these fish are just crushing these baits.
Now fishing something else.
You're fishing memories.
Yeah. Fishing
Different conditions.
old information.
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to get you in position.
Appreciate that.
You bet.
There was no, that might have been a bite.
There's a bite. Oh, Walter. As soon as you said that might have been a bite, I felt a twink. That might have been a bite.
That might have was a bite.
Yeah. Not going to go 15. What do you got there, bud? Oh, is that the first fish for Scott?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing to see here.
I was hoping it was going to be a pike because I know you love them. Oh,
Off that tree again.
he looks a lot like the giant that got away.
Hey, he touched it.
Attaboy.
It's official.
It's not marlin fishing, you know. You got to put them in the boat. You can't just touch the leader.
Monsters. Perfectly okay.
Oh,
That's something.
yeah,
That's
Small,
smallmouth,
I
yeah.
didn't think,
That close to shore.
yeah. I say I just got bit in there too.
Oh, I got another walleye off that same spot.
Come on, bub. You're not that big, but you got the
He's
power.
excited. Just getting manhandled by that 11-inch smallmouth.
Did a northern grab him?
No kidding. Nope. Oh, he's bigger than 11 inches. Need a net? Oh yeah, that's a nice one, bud. No northern, that was definitely all him. I feel like he doubled in size since his first
Yeah.
jump though. Crappy cast.
One of the earliest places around here to catch them. In town there.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Yeah, it's not a Ryan-sized one, but it's bigger than anything Scott'd catch. So. Oh, well, he's growing too. I like that.
Guide can't catch fish. That's gonna be the thumbnail.
No, nobody will click on that. Ooh, they'll just feel bad for you, then watch something else. Come here, bud. I just love how pretty they are and stupid
And strong.
and strong.
They fight well.
Flirting.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You wouldn't get snagged. You ain't going where the fish are.
another nice one. Scott, do you want to make fun of my casting some more?
Nope. I'm in no position to be throwing darts at this time.
Oh, stick.
Oh,
That might be dinner.
looking at. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he'll be close. I have a tape measure in that pocket next to that bug spray now that I think about it.
In the pocket next to the bug spray.
See the clear pocket in my bag? Right by your right foot.
You shrink it.
Gotta go bling, I guess.
Got another one? Another 14-inch walleye?
Okay. If we start at the edge of this cooler and go to this ring, that's 15.
Exactly.
Exactly 15 inches.
Oh, perfect.
So the cooler itself is 15 3/4.
How convenient.
Yeah.
I pay no attention to that, so
I'll measure your fish.
we'll revisit later. Jackson Hammer.
He ain't gonna go 15. But he was excited, and I appreciate it. And I didn't lose him at the side of the boat.
All good things.
Just saying.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Did I just snag a big flathead? Snagged a sturgeon. Is he gonna jump?
You got sturgeon?
Sturge.
I got a snag.
I thought it was a snag for a second. But the snag is swimming.
I'm getting her. You got time?
Yeah, this is gonna be a little while. Skip, you just stay there and relax, bud.
Skip, play that.
Yeah. I think I have maximum pressure on him, and he doesn't care. He's not even that big. He's probably like a 3-footer. I saw his tail. But then again, I thought your smallmouth was like 8 inches and it grew to 15 real quick.
Yeah, I thought it was a small one too.
I don't want to have to come off spot log.
Too good a spot?
No, it's just the principle of being defeated.
How's it going, bud?
Just hanging. I don't think I can go any harder on him. Oh, I gained line. Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's bigger than I thought. Yeah, we're going to chase him. Ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get in.
Like, he isn't even swimming. The current's just kiting him out.
Come on here.
See, now it's gonna be about a big net. Brought a big net.
Mm-hmm. For accidentally snagged sturgeon and muskies. Oh, okay, here we go. Come on now. I move him a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, he's bigger than 3 feet. Hey!
In.
Was definitely not expecting that.
Weirdest looking walleye I ever saw.
Right. Is he over 15? Oh. And I stopped Scott in a nice strategic smallmouth spot. Here he is. All right, we're gonna get him out of the net, hold him up for just a second, and get him right back in the water because it is not sturgeon season. And he's also not legally hooked anyway, so it wouldn't matter. But they're pretty cool fish. Neat. Ella's gonna be jealous that she wasn't here for this. All right, see ya. No worse for the wear. Oh, that's a fish. Holy cow. All right, we're gonna keep her moving, boys. What do you got there, Scott? That is a weird looking smallmouth. Very yummy looking smallmouth. I don't think he's gonna go the distance though.
Go live. Get your fish every 2 to 3 minutes.
Until you go live.
Until you go live. See?
Oh yeah, maybe I should stay spot locked here. That's another nice one. Hold him up for the camera, Ryan. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Master.
Minus the B. You throwing chicken smoke there, Scott?
I'm throwing.
You got Slick Rick.
Bling.
Bling. You can purchase bling.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll link that one in the description for sure. I have a feeling chicken smoke's gonna be around one of these days.
It will.
Slick Rick will come out with it. It's been productive.
Slick Rick's gonna be the promotional color that'll only be available at Johnston Bait and Tackle. What's the dates on that? September?
I don't know yet.
Still figuring that out.
Still figuring that out.
September something, Johnston Bait and Tackle. Get you some Slick Rick. That sounded kind of weird.
Chewing pretty good this morning.
this morning we got here at noon.
Not mad at him.
No.
This overcast helping a lot.
Yeah, 17 feet deep here, allegedly.
Little tink, 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 tink. Yeah, I finally caught him.
Yeah, nice.
Bass?
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Tink, 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 tink.
This is kind of a weird change of pace. Pull up on a spot, you guys catch them and I don't. Yeah.
Just call that Saturday around here, bud.
Yeah. Don't worry, it'll be over soon. Where'd you go, walleyes? Oh.
Yeah.
It's a stick.
You're definitely leading the day on sticks.
I don't know. I kind of 4 casts in a row. I think I had to retie.
I mean, as far as like hooking them and getting them to the boat.
That's definitely the biggest one of the day.
When you said stick, my first thought was, well, it could be a walleye. They fight about the same.
At least move a little bit.
Right. I thought that sturgeon was a stick for a second.
You love the whole log.
Once it started moving, my first thought was flathead.
Yep.
Then I saw the little forked tail. I know the fishing's electric over here, but you guys want to go on a boat ride and check out some other stuff?
You're gonna twist my arm.
I mean,
Does it involve a habanero mango cheese curd and a deer stick? Yeah.
like, absolutely.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm in.
liking your odds.
Yep. I'll even serve you up. Skip
The
to.
only one that doesn't like that idea is Skip.
Yep.
Dead asleep on the captain's chair.
Skip, you're driving. Skip, can you smell them? Bark twice if you can smell the fish. What would a bass fisherman do in this situation?
I'd have fished all those trees.
Pound the bank. Let's just pound the bank.
I'd have fished all those trees.
Yeah.
The water was and stuff.
Trolling motor. Well, let's sneak up here just a little closer.
3-5.
Yeah. All right. Kill it. It's like that edge off that island could hold fish.
Oh no.
Grass carp fishing. I see it.
It's sitting up there.
We can go get it. Let me stand right beside you and catch one where you're trying to cast.
I'm gonna get out and walk up there and get it in a second.
You definitely could.
You went to unnatural, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I hadn't gotten a bite in a while. All right, see ya, Scott.
I gotta pee all of a sudden too. Oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah, watch that next step.
I'm back.
Okay.
Never fear, Woody. I was never scared.
Me either.
Yeah, right? That looks smallmouth right there.
Mm-hmm. Well, once we get past that log sticking up on that seam, I'm hitting the spot lock. Oh, what's that? The tube master. It's about to hit us with some stuff.
Yeah, right. You can go places that can't.
Right. Might bust out a spinnerbait.
There you go.
Oh, what's that? Walleye.
Walleye on the tube.
It's like they drew it up. 14. I've seen him before.
Right? Yeah.
Ooh. He hit it 3 times.
Molly?
I think so. He is utilizing the current. Zoop. Just some unnecessary sound effects. Ow, ow. It'd been a minute. Oh. Apparently there's more than one in there. Switch to the Au Naturel. It's my confidence one, Scott.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
I seem to have a lot of false confidence.
False hope.
Yeah, she's. Oh, I like that. I'm just glad I didn't wear it. Oh, he's nice.
That one hit it.
I'd ask you if you need a net, but I know you're gonna flip it. Because that's what you do when you use a bait caster. That's like
That's what they're supposed to look like.
That's a real smallmouth. All right, let's go back to the rocks. Hold them up, bud. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Those are fun. Thank you.
See, he was clear back up in there.
Right up in there and smashed it.
Oh!
Did you do a swirl right there?
Yeah.
There you got it. Ooh, we got missed it again. That's fun. That seems like a decent one.
Yeah, he wasn't bad. Too bright. He had to squint his eyes. There we go. Want to make fun of my casting, Scott?
No.
You can.
Not like that.
Until I put it in a tree.
Right? You'll give me an opportunity at some point.
I know. Especially if I keep playing around with this thing. I'm getting in it. Because I can. Oh, eat it. There we go. Yep.
Nice.
That was cool. Oh, he's on it. Get off of there. He's, yep. Oh, now he's on it. New. Oh, I came off.
Drama.
That was exciting. Pulled it over the log and he chases it. Yeah, he's nice. Oh no, drama.
Full of school of them in there. That one pulled pretty freaking hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not by much.
Immediate, huh? Oh, he's nice too.
Oh my god.
That was pretty sweet from this angle.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Look at this guy.
Yeah, another dandy. Oh yeah. 8-pounder?
3. There's a lot of smallmouth.
Oh, there we go. Get out of the stuff.
Right behind that tree.
Yep. He ain't bad either. Throwing the bait caster like a real bass fisherman. Whoop.
Got the net caught on the hook and the hook.
Oh, he's out of the boat again.
Out?
He flopped out. He was in, then he was out, now he's back in. Stop it, stop it, stop it.
There.
Hold on. Come on, bud. Yeah.
That's fair.
Not bad.
So we've had 3 fish and 2 bites here.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good little school.
Yeah. No dinkers yet.
No.
Just all good old adult-sized ones.
Seniors don't hang out with freshmen.
Just loser seniors. Let's go find another spot just like that.
Full of big, large, or smallmouth?
Yeah. And a 7-pound walleye just to
I caught a
keep.
walleye in there too, don't forget.
But a 7.
No, like a 7 ounce.
Although I guess we can't eat the 7.
No. Well, it's over 30 or 28 you can.
That's true. We need a skinny 7-pounder.
There you go.
28 3/4.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Decent one. Nice.
here I am,
Oh,
cast.
there's one chasing.
Yep.
Your buddies? Yeah, school them up.
Yeah.
Spencer
Trying to
might get
grab
in
the
a second.
bait out of his mouth.
He's intimidated by my spinner bait. Nice one.
Chest out.
Big motor?
Monster.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh,
Great drop off, guys.
let me get in there.
Great drop off.
Holy cow! Not even mad. I'm impressed.
Yeah. I thought I was hitting gravel. I was hitting gravel and then it jumped.
No slouch.
I accidentally turned my camera off.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Sure, man.
You know what? You need to scoop him, bread loaf him?
You wanna?
No.
I've fished in tournaments where you can't use a net. It makes a difference.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to practice. Ooh, don't do it.
Yeah, he is a dandy. And he was a ways from the stuff.
There's some submerged stuff out there.
Okay. All right, I guess I'll try to catch one. Well, that was a fun day of catching, quite a bit different than what we ran into yesterday, but absolute blast. Thanks to Scott for letting Ryan and I crash down here. We got a little bit of fishing we're gonna do tonight. Hopefully that'll be a video too, but hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Go check out drasticfishing.com. Is that right?
Fish Drastic Plastics.
FishDrasticPlastics.com. I can only count to 3 and only remember 2 or 3 words at a time. So I think that's 4. No.
Yeah.
.com will work.
Yeah. Three's the problem. Thanks for watching. Hope you catch a giant.